If the YouTube app keeps stopping while playing videos on your Android device, then let us see how to fix the issue. Now the first thing that you have to make sure that there is a good internet connection on your device. And the second thing you need to make sure is your device is near to the Wi-Fi signal or near to the Wi-Fi router so that you can receive the full signal. If you are out of the Wi-Fi range, then what you will see is the YouTube app keeps on buffering. Now the next thing is, if your device screen resolution is low and if you are playing high quality videos such as 4K videos, then the video might not play smoothly and buffer. So what you can do is you can tap on the YouTube app, and suppose if you are playing any video, tap on these three dotted icons, go to quality, go to advanced, and make sure to lower down your resolution and then play the video and check if YouTube can play the video smoothly or not. Now the other thing is, if you are using a headphone jack while listening to the YouTube video, then just remove the headphone jack and play the YouTube video. Sometimes if there is a problem with the headphone jack, then it might be stopping your YouTube videos in between when you are playing the video. Now the other thing what you can try is, you can go to this settings applications, go to apps, scroll down and then look for YouTube application, open it, go to storage, clear cache and then clear data. Okay, so you have cleared the cache files and data for the YouTube app. Also go back to this YouTube screen. Now if you have problem with the current version of the YouTube app, then what you can do is you can uninstall the update for the YouTube app so that the application goes back to the factory default. So it will return back to the point of time when you had bought the device. So tap on these three dotted icons, select uninstall update and then okay. So once you have removed all the update for the YouTube app, open the YouTube application again and check if you can play the video or not. So do all of these things and check if the YouTube app now can play the video properly or not. Now if you think that this is a problem from the server side and it has nothing to do with your device, then try to play YouTube video in other devices and check if there is a problem with the server side or not. Hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.